Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, Amelia, Janelle, Trenches. How are you guys this morning? Nutty was going in yesterday on that racist that Ooh, for real. I didn't even see. Good morning. Sorry I'm late, y'all. I haven't really talked to my man since like Thursday, so I wanted to talk to him. My bad. I was like, I have to go. I end my stream early now. Bye. Good morning, guys. As you guys can see, I'm flat. We have been basically just consolidating between change zones. We'll change trends and then consolidate again and change trends and consolidate again. So yeah, there was no trades, unfortunately. But now it looks like we're trying to break down on the downside, so maybe we'll stay that way. We've basically been barcoding on a 5-minute chart, which explains this is literally what we've been doing the whole time, just going between zones. All right. Okay, well, that was the first trade. That's actually, I think, the first time that particular trade is lost in like 2 weeks. How nice. How nice. I guess stopped out just to push down 40 ticks. How nice. Green. Oh, you know what? 12:43. No, that was correct. I thought maybe my oscillator didn't support the trade, but it did, so it just was a loss, whatever. All right, let me go back. Apex is changing the payout rules. Yeah, it's finally coming. But I just feel like, why don't y'all use ChatGPT for your freaking emails? Why do y'all emails have so many spelling and grammatical errors? I don't understand. Whoever's on the email team, please fire them. Because what the goodness gracious. But yeah, I'm actually happy that it's happening like right around the time that I'm starting to try to get things together. So it's like the rules are changing just in time for me. We'll say I'm requesting a payout today. Wish me luck. Oh, good luck, Amelia. Okay, wait, Trenches. You ain't got to reiterate. Good morning, new trader. How are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. All right. So I didn't take the, I don't know if I would have, I probably wouldn't have gotten filled anyway. Oh wait. Nope. This divergence trade right here, I don't know if I would have gotten filled. I probably would have. I only didn't take it because before I started just trading volume, I didn't used to take divergence that like rotated over the VWAP, and by rotation, the previous reversal and this reversal bar both touch the VWAP. I didn't used to take those trades. So I just kind of wanted to see if it would work out. Again, I don't know if I would have gotten filled. I should have gotten filled when this pulled down 1 tick, but you just kind of never know. But it was a great trade though, so I guess I can trade it. We'll see. But it met all the rest of my rules. It was just that little part. A limit buy, I forgot. I got triggered. Oh, shoot. But it was green the entire time. Oh, wow. Did you stay in it? Did you stay in? Oh, you did stay in. Made my 600 and ready to get paid. Nice. Nice. Amelia, you don't copy trade? Starting off in the red today? Me too. Me too. I literally didn't have a trade until right when I got on the stream with that particular trade. I should have just went ahead and took this one, but I don't know. I don't remember if I had any examples of the VWAP rotation on the divergence, but it clearly doesn't matter. Clearly. Platforms right now. Ah, I got you. I did see something about a platformless copy trader recently. I forgot what. Let me go Google. I do remember seeing the letters ETF. No, I'm gonna have to open up Discord to go find it. They were saying like you can connect different rhythmic accounts across different props, and it's platformless. So I just have to figure out. I'm not interested in that sale. Gotta figure out what oh, it's probably in this other one. Hold on, I'm gonna look, make sure I'm not missing a trade. No, not at the moment. All right. Oh, my dumb ass. It was not ETF. It was ETP. So it's called. It's here. I'll post the link. I don't know anybody who uses it, but a couple people posted it and said they were interested in it. Oh my gosh. We were just pushing new highs earlier. But we definitely got the breakout of that last zone. I am probably going to take trades with the new highs and lows for now. Because I do have a couple of parameters for it at this time. And it's enough for me to feel comfortable. If I lose a few trades, then I'll just stop, obviously, but we'll try it out, because why not? Better to try it now than when we're back in PAs. These levels aren't weak. Damn, now I really wish I would have taken that one. When I go back in journal, I'm gonna have to figure out, like, I've already kind of figured out how to trade when I'm in between zones, but earlier none of those even set up. So, and I think each time we traded between zones, there was like one trade in between each one that will work out. So I probably need to just pay attention to that, see if I can make some kind of correlation with the ones I already have in my data so far. But I don't like not being able to trade in between the zones. Don't like you. But if I can't, obviously if I can't produce consistent results, then it just kind of is what it is. It is freezing. Like this price action yet. Definitely no payouts. Oh, that's all right. That means that you got to use this week to build up for next week. That's all. Oh yeah, Janelle, are you still on the live you and Trenches? I think both of y'all said y'all got it. Are y'all still on this live probation thingy? Oh, I did see, just so you guys are aware. Now this is for people who are not on the live probation though. So there were a lot of people who, when they went to request on the 1st, they had like the little thingy that said like, oh, you recently got the live probation email, but those people, a lot of those people actually never got the email. So I'm still confused as to how that, whatever. But yeah, so apparently a lot of the automations that Apex was talking about, you know, that they were implementing, some of that stuff has already been implemented because some people, do I want to take this? Some people said that that they noticed that once they traded 5 days without like breaking any rules, whether it was, oh, that is a horrible trade. I'm gonna break even. I broke even because my entry was like all the way in the bar. I'm okay if this wins because technically it should be a loss. You can see. I'm not sure yet if I like the double bottom middles of this particular trend, so I probably will not trade them anymore. But anyway, so they were saying that like when the thing said that they needed to trade 5 additional days, well, no, that did not say it. John said it in the video. They said that when they traded 5 days, like following the risk parameters and stuff like that, that the message automatically went away on the payout page. So it looks like they have been implementing some of the automation, which is good. And the automation is supposed to prevent people from getting denied, and make it to where the payouts are a lot quicker. So we'll see. We will see. Another thing that they did say was, so I don't know if you guys paid attention in John's video, but he was showing how, like, he was showing a particular trader's history and it was showing like trade by trade, and he's like, this person was down $2,000 in this trade, but they closed $200 or $100 in profit. That's way past the 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I think honestly that when they quietly started to implement some of these automations, they also, like, when it came to, there was a question as far as how is the 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio calculated. A lot of people thought that it was based off of like your average drawdown to your average win, right? However, what it's looking like based off of John's video, and one of the mods actually confirmed it with Chris, who confirmed it with John, is that they actually look at per trade. So just like in the video, how he looked at that particular person, and you could see in the right column how far that drawdown was in that particular trade compared to what the actual TP was. It's very quick that they can go through your trades in that 10 days and look to see that you are way out of the risk parameters. And if that happens, you will be flagged and you will be denied for improper risk management. So some people were thinking that the improper risk management had to do with like contract sizing and stuff. No, that's a whole different thing. They will cite you for contract size inconsistency if it's that. But definitely you got to pay attention to the 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which I'm pretty sure you guys don't have to deal with. But yeah, I heard PW has had something like 600 PAs. Yeah, I heard that as well. He has actually shown his number before. Unfortunately, I don't remember what the number was, but it was pretty high though. Like, it was really high. Removed after I received an approval for my payouts. Did stop leaving runners on and use protection. It's the use protection for me. My mind's dirty. Okay, so that's good. So maybe the live email was not really supposed to be sent out. I don't know. All of that was really weird. Requested a payout. Yep, but mine's still okay. So maybe trenches after you request a payout and you're approved, it'll go away. I don't know. They do look at every trade, yeah. Oh, you about to? Okay, Apple checks. Well, can I help you? Because the market did absolutely nothing until we had that little breakout, but then the first trade that I got, I lost. I lost it. Okay. Damn, I missed that one. That one happened way too fast. Bitch. I wanted to get into that too. I was pulling down to make sure I wasn't near that prime low over there. But it looks like I would have had to break it would have broken even anyway, so I guess it really doesn't matter. Yeah, I would have broken even because I have to break even when we get to the last flat high level right there. So, no biggie. Market's just doing a bit too much. It's like it does nothing and then it just wants to do everything from there. Like, what the hell? This is so unnecessary. Yeah, so I missed that. Oh wait, Sorry, guys. I missed this one too. That's 2 wins in a row that I missed because the market just decided to take off. So I should be +1 right now. This one wasn't valid, and you see I would have gotten stopped out. But it wasn't valid, so we're good. These are the days that irritate me. Like, I like smooth movement throughout the whole day. Not, we want to have a chop fest for the first 30 minutes, break out, and then, but still be at a decent pace. And then out of nowhere, we just start shooting through everything. Like, what is that? And why? Is this a weak level? It is. Push down too far. 2 perfect setups. I just couldn't tell if we had cleared this one yet because I was still scrolling. Just trash, just trash. But the goal is to just end each day green if we can. That's all I care about. Gotta clear. Push too far. All right, back to break even. I don't know how I just caught that, but I did. My goodness. Y'all know my old eyes. I can't. I could not imagine if I was still trading order flow and trying to see these numbers moving and see all this stuff. I saw that one happen. That one would have been, I don't know. That one's still one that's a little iffy for me. Actually, I'm gonna say no because my levels weren't all the same color. Oh wait, hold on. 142. You went, all right, let's see. Damn, I ran like Usain Bolt to your TP. Yeah, same thing happened to me earlier. The market is not my friend today. Okay, it did work out. I'm still like not necessarily confused, but still trying to make sure certain things still work. All right, that would have been a TP as well. All right. Back to no more questioning. I don't know why I'm questioning anything anyway, if I'm being completely honest. There's no reason to. There's too much there, 305. All right, market, you're doing too much, bro. I literally can't. I can't. I can't. I just can't. I haven't missed anything again yet, though. Both of those two were invalid. Bro. No, don't tell her to leave NQ. What's wrong with you, Janelle? Supposed to fix misalignment, which apparently I have. Green on 2 accounts, super red on 1. Super duper neon red. Not neon red. Not neon. I just want the market to calm down. Like, just doing way too much. Not interested in this first pullback since it starts with a double bottom. I mean, double top. Excuse me, double top. Just doing too much. Very nice price action, but it'd be nice if it was consistently smooth and not just these drastic movements. guess I paused. No. All right. Now we're on the upside. 398, 372.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Every core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery Houston, Prince, ATO.
Ooh, okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Like, look how drastic these moves are. That's 100 ticks right there. It's 118 ticks. What does the 5 minute look like? Oh yeah, that looks insane. Looks crazy. For me to take buys again, I need to be like above 405. My middle half trend is the wrong color. It's not matching the other two. You know, it's like these candles red. Girl, I want to see it take out 313. Then I'll be looking for longs. Finally green. Couple falls under VWAP. This market is going so red. I'm not trading options today. We took out 313. That was just insane. Oh shoot, wasn't supposed to do that. What the fuck is this? What is this? Are we bottoming out? I'm so mad the market was moving so fast I couldn't get those two divergence trades in. It's so crazy. I've been getting a lot more divergence trades than anything. Oh, don't let me find out I can take these trades without all the... Alright, so these two setups would have came one tick from stopping me out, but they still worked out. But, like I said, my middle half trend is still a sell right now. But if I find out I could take the regular pullbacks to the major half trend, even when the other one, the middle one's not matching, if I find out I could do that, watch out. But see, I wonder if it only works out when the market's really trendy like it is right now. When I go back in the journal, I'll look at it in that little consolidated area that happened this morning and see. We're still consolidating here. It's freezing. That thing took me out, cheated me. Sorry. Why are you such a fool? 897. Weak level. Let's see if it still respects it since there's a rotation level here. Let's see. Doesn't look like it wants to. Nope. Now it's invalid. Let's see if we push up to the 50% level. Which, oh, that's way up there. 50%, the 50% retracement of the move down is pretty high up actually. It's at 494. This is what I'm looking at. We're rejecting at the 23 right now from the move down. I'm just curious to see if we get up to the 490 level of the 50% retracement and then pop back down. Push too far. Unless we pull back to like 409. Almost not quite. Are you trading with the trend now? You're a really sarcastic person. I've always traded with the trend. I just also trade counter trend when it pops up. Good morning, Predator. But yes, order flow, I'm trading with the trend and against it as well. As a matter of fact, the trade that I lost was with the trend. I don't remember where it was. Oh, not that one. Oh, look, my counter trend is the one that won. But my trade with the trend, look, 2 counter trend wins. My trade with the trend actually lost. Would you look at that? I got stopped out just for it to still go. And this is why I trade in both directions. Who's sarcastic? Order flow. Now he's done for the day. Methodical has been stopping pretty early as well, right? It's like every time I'm starting to journal, the only people that I usually see on at that point is Nutty and Alpine. Sometimes Husk will still be streaming, but a lot of times it's just either those 2 or those 3, but Methodical's almost always done. All right, we got about 20 minutes left. Nope, that's not the move. I'm sitting here with no one entertaining me. Let me see if anybody's talking about the delay. I don't see anybody in Cayenne's Discord talking about it. At least not right now. They're not. Damn it, we got another weak level. We're not pushing far enough, unfortunately. Which, I mean, this kind of is a downtrend. Really, we're just pulling back, so. We're hitting a 38.2 in a minute. I wish I could trade at the weak levels, but I can't. Historically speaking, they don't work out well. Feel about that zigzag changing, but yeah, it's probably not gonna win. Who said it's not? Order flow, sorry, don't pay attention. I'm counter trend trading. don't pay attention. It came one tick from stopping me out though. Low key, high key, low key. So don't pay attention. We almost got to the 38.2. So my sell was in the wick of this bar on the 5-minute chart. I really was just waiting on the divergence trade that would set up because it was no way I could trade in the direction there because every single pullback was weak. It was getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So I'm not surprised that the divergence trade finally showed up. And when I say it's weak, so my indicator actually shows me like so you can see the minor half trend was weak and this wasn't enough of a push, so the next flat level was weak again, and then a third week, and usually by the second or third one the divergence plays out. Baby, look at that entry on that 5-minute chart. Don't play with her, please. Please. Talk about a weak entry. I really thought we would get up to the 38.2 though, but we did not. My Lord and Savior is always around. Girl, that is not entertainment. That man is a fool. And we're going to spell that F-E-W-L. He is a fool. Okay? Exactly, Janelle. But she said we gone. We gone too early. No one after lunch anymore, even Nutty signs off. Oh, really? I didn't even know. Mr. Crockett on Hulu. Mr. Crockett. I don't have Hulu, but I got a Fire Stick. Let's see. A mother embarks on a perilous quest to rescue her son from a demonic children's show host who is kidnapping kids. That's what you're talking about? I'm gonna have to write that down because I'm gonna need some stuff to watch this weekend. Well, this week. While a certain someone is at work. That's 72, 705. Bro, stop doing that. All of the divergence plays have been so nice, but the bar closes so damn fast. Like, can I just confirm that it's there? Jeez Louise. I mean, perfect. I don't know if I would have, well, no, I should have gotten filled. It was like 0.3 seconds between the close of the bar and this pull down. To the naked eye, it looks like it's no way that would have, because it just like closed and went, but there was some drawdown. It would have been like 3 ticks of drawdown. Pretty nice. All of my divergence setups have been the ones that I've missed today because they just set up so fast. No trade here. We're pulling back to the change zone, which means that the trend is not very strong, the trend down. So we'll wait. Oh, let me get this freaking. I'm like confused. Like, what are these extra? No, I'll keep it there. All of my divergence plays were perfect. I don't think there's anything I probably need to change on the divergence setups at all. At all. Still don't really know how to do the alternate ones, but at least the regular higher high to higher high ones. I think I missed 3 of them today. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 of them. All of them wins. But we won't harp on it. I'm still green. But we gonna harp on it because market slow down a little bit. Let my eyes catch up. So this is the alternate divergence I'm still trying to figure out. Now this one's set up the way I think I want to trade it. However, you can see we were too close to the change. I'm not going to start taking them yet anyway, but we were too close to the change zone. So I would have to break even there anyway. So I wouldn't really count that one in my little count. I'm still going to write it down, but I just wouldn't really count that one. But I'm pretty close to taking my break even off. I think for now I am going to keep it at the 17 ticks, but I'm pretty sure at some point it's just going to be all or nothing trades. Pretty sure, but not all the way quite. I'm not quite. But we'll see. Starting yet. Oh yeah, I wouldn't. We tried to push up. Still close green a little bit. Just break the zone and head back down. It was so good. All right, I'm gonna put that on my list of things to watch because I'm pretty sure he has a rule. Make sure I go to bed at a decent time tonight because I have like a 6-hour drive tomorrow after jury duty and they are 1 hour ahead, so I'm not really gonna get there until like probably midnight. Help me. Help me. So I want to make sure I go to bed at a good time tonight. I kind of figured that was going to happen.
Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
So I think just the one trade that I lost, the one trade that I broke even out of because it should have been a loss. I think those were the only 2 losses today. And like I said, when I go back to look at the one that I broke even out of, I need to look to see how many of those particular trades. It was basically a alternate pullback to my middle half trend, and there was a double bottom middle in it. I need to see how I want to treat the double bottom middles, or if I just don't want to take them at all, which at one point I was not taking them at all. Might end up being what it is again, but we'll see. 6-hour drive, yeah. Trust me, I don't like driving at all. The 4-hour drive was not really that bad when we went to Kentucky this weekend. So I'm like, can I do another 2 on top of that? I think I can. But I just didn't want to be without a car for the days that he has to work. I don't know. I'm just always leery of stuff like that. Like if I have an emergency, I have no transportation because he's at work, you know? And he goes to work way too early for me to be waking up early, drop him off at work just so I have a car. No, ma'am. No. The one good thing is I'm going to be in Eastern Standard time zone. So that'll be nice to be waking up at 9 o'clock to trade instead of 8. Yeah. That'll be really nice. All right, we got 7 minutes left. So now they changing their DCA cent. Yeah, trenches. I don't really. So my problem with that is like you denied a lot of people for DCA. So now you're going to come back and say like it's okay to do. However, at the same time, a lot of people were DCAing into oblivion. And they are saying that you won't be able to do that. It seems like when it comes back, you're going to be allowed to do it, but you still have to follow the same parameters as far as like risk management parameters. That's what it sounds like to me. I could be wrong, but that's just what it sounds like. So I don't know, but that is, I just think about all the people who got denied for DCA and then you're going to bring it back. Like what? But at the same time, I understand why they did it because again, you had people DCAing into oblivion, number one. Number two, remember in the videos, the 17-hour long videos that he put out some months ago, like when all this stuff started happening when they banned DCA, remember how he was showing how they were trying to figure out, like they had all these people who were high up as far as like the amount of money they had in their accounts. And they were trying to figure out like, why did everyone lose money on this one particular day? Well, it was a trending day and people were DCAing. They were entering in on the wrong side of it. And they DCA'd into oblivion until all of their accounts blew like on the same day, like a bunch of people. So from that aspect, like I get it, you know. It just sucks because again, there were so many people who got denied for that, just for them to do that. So yeah, I think that's kind of whack. Kind of whack. Look how close these change sounds are. I thought you can only DCA only if the trade is currently. No, well, so you could DCA one time while you're red. But according to the email that they sent with the new payout rules, DCA is coming back and it said that you can add multiple times while in the red. Because technically, when you're green, it's not considered DCA. Well, according to their rules. According to their rules, averaging in when you're green is not DCA, and they're okay with that. But it's crazy because when you add when you're green, you actually a lot of times end up risking more. Because if, let's say I'm going in for this uptrend right here, and I start here, I add my first, but then I add my second here. If my stop loss is the same, which a lot of people, when they average in, their stop loss is the same, I'm actually risking more here. But the DCA people, the problem is when they just like, all right, y'all, we're going down. Oh shit, we're going down. Oh shit, we're going down. Add in here. Okay, we're gonna add here. All right, we're a little bit in the green. I'm gonna add again here. That's what most of them were doing, and that is completely unacceptable. Like, at some point, you just have to accept that you are wrong in your direction. You just have to accept it. It's okay, you're wrong. And unfortunately, most of them just, it's, to me, like I've said from the beginning, people who DCA that way, it's like you don't accept that you're wrong and you refuse to accept a loss. That's how I see it. Not everybody sees it that way, but that's just how I see it. And then you have people like, they just want our entries to be so precise, and that's just so, like, we can't do that every time. And it's like, no, they don't require that, but god dang, how many more times are you gonna enter here? I don't know. All right, we got 45 seconds left. But yeah, so you'll be able to go back in and DCA as many times as you want, but they said there's going to be certain parameters, so we just have to kind of, I'm pretty sure November 1st they're probably going to come out with a video doing all the rule changes, and probably explaining like how you can DCA properly now. So we'll see. All right, let me pull up my trade performance because it's the one about to go off. I'm getting off. All right, so I took 4 trades today. 1, 2, lost 1, broke even on 1. Oh, and that was a big loss. Yeah, I definitely have to look at that. I'm pretty sure it's the double bottom middle. But anyway, so overall, not a bad day at all. I just wish the market didn't just take off and just like shoot off like a rocket with a lot of my setups. Even though the rules are very easy, I didn't even really have to look down at my cheat sheet very much today. The only thing I really have to pay attention to, shit, honestly, is nothing. I don't even know why I have the cheat sheet, but I'm still gonna look at it from time to time. But yeah, not a bad day whatsoever. Let me show you guys where the accounts are at the moment. Which, all right, the top is Apex, so still have full drawdown on both. Yay. But yeah, so 777 in profit on this account, 121 on the Top Step account. Not too shabby at all. Remember, I won't be here tomorrow. I'm sorry. I know you guys are gonna miss me because I'm gonna miss you too. But yeah, no trading tomorrow, so I'll be back at it on Thursday. Hopefully I get enough sleep to where I can wake up, because tomorrow's gonna be a very long day. I have to wake up at like 7:15, pack my car up, go to jury duty, be in there for 9 hours, get on the road for 6 hours. So if you guys do not see me Thursday, it's because I'm so tired. I'm just gonna wait to trade until Friday. But we'll see. Use FVG. No, thank you, Empress. I'm not interested in ICT concepts, aka Wyckoff methodology. But I have looked at FVG before. I don't really need it though, but I love how it helps and works for other people though, for sure. But yeah, so you guys won't see me tomorrow. If you don't see me Thursday, I will see you on Friday. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you guys bright and early Thursday or Friday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.